Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily translate your document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my document in Microsoft Word, and for example, I'm going to translate this document to English. If we want to translate, we can go to the review menu or review tab here, and then we can go to the language. And you're going to choose translate, and I'm going to choose translate document. Okay, and make sure you have internet connection because we need internet connection to translate our document. Okay, and you can choose the source language, and I'm just going to choose auto tag, so the Microsoft Word will automatically detect my language, and then I'm going to translate it to English. Okay, I'm going to select English, and I'm going to click on translate and just wait for a moment. The copy of this document will be created, and now it's still processing. Okay, and this is for the result guys. Okay, and that's all the way to translate our documents in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.